Alright, my people, so right now we have the pool deck here where the pool deck itself drop, cause the tile them to break. So what really happening, we eventually have to put out them tile, as you can see. We have to put out some tile. So we are doing, we are drop them in back. So what we are going to do with this now, as you can see, because it dropped, as you can see all the concrete cracks. So the drop we drop now, what we have to go do now, we are going to cut off. This is supposed to be a 24 by 48 whole tile, but because of the drop where it drop now, this is where the giant did this, so we have to cut this come straight across. So instead of drop the whole tile here, so we are going to drop 2 pieces, just for help. Because if it drop again, it not really break. So it eventually drop. So as you can see, this is how it basically happen. It do happen sometime, the pool let them drop. So this now, 50 and try now, man.
Huh?
50 tile, man. So basically the same thing we're gonna do here, so. But we are gonna cut the tile in line with this, go straight across. So it will go straight across over there. So it will help prevent it. As you can see, where this is where crack this up. You should have put something on it, You should have put something on it. Alright, put it, come.
Hold it tight.
Yeah, hold your sign, man. You just want to know, say. That's not bad. Alright. Okay, that's good. So what we have to do now is just, as I said, the tile I will cut straight across in line with this. So same thing over here, so. Yeah, the same thing we are doing here, so now. So we are going to carry the tile, cut the tile, just for help it. It's like an expansion joint where, kind of prevent it again. So if it drop, basically one side will drop. So it won't affect the tile that much. So this is what we basically do now. So if we can drop them in, we jack them right up already. But I want to tell you what really happened. Nobody not really live here, so them disconnect the current. So it's a generator we have to get to use. So we are trying to see what we can do now. As you know, a mouse that. So yeah, original mouse.
Yeah.
And the whole crew back together. Yeah. So mouse are going to drop in one tile there. So I'm going to show you basically what happened now. I'm going to make mouse drop in that tile. So as I said, this tile where I'm going to drop in now. It's supposed to be a whole tile, but we have to cut it across with this, so which part it drop. I big a piece. Yeah. So that's the whole tile down there, so what we do is cut it off. Yeah. So once you carry that one they come. So the next piece left down there now. Well, the next piece are going to fall just right off here, so. What we do is we are touching this first. So we have to do it now with us. As I say, if it drop again, you avoid the tile and can break. So yeah. So the nice way you hear the generator run. As I said, the current disconnect off of the building. So we don't have no current here, so now. So we have to use the generator. Yeah. I'm going to do some work in the evening. Sun hot here so differently. Kind of like Jamaica. Sun hot different this way. So as I say, I'm going to show you where I go on. So, you know, most of I put on the tile there now. As you can see. Yeah. You must straighten the punsi. I can't piece, I have a corner there problem, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so as I say, the giant they're gonna run straight across here, so you know? Yeah. The giant there runs straight across here. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see if I can catch in some tile over here, so. Yeah, so I will see if we can get them tile out here, so.
This name donkey weed. Yeah. You know hear about donkey weed? Yeah. Eat this. Sure I not drink this here. If you ever drink your 6 months you just bring no can up. Yes. If you say it can up, Lord, me sorry for you. But I would recommend you to drink it. I like how when I go here drink, but when you're ready, you know, man, so trouble that, you know. Yo, me I tell you, that bush a wicked, man. Donkey weed. You can go on Google and go on it, man. Go on YouTube and go on it. And you see. And look for donkey weed.
What I tell you, say? So as I say, I saw this going to work. Yeah, with the giant in it. You know, it's like an expansion giant. So that will be able to prevent it, you know, from if it fall again, you know. Yeah. So yeah. So this is a tile drop in. So we take time to go along. Drop in this tile. So we basically have to take time to drop out the whole of them. Yeah. So the next piece we will come here so now. That giant they are going to continue straight across to here so. Yeah. As I say, it's like an expansion, you know, prevent from if it drop again. The tile them not really break. But when it drop, everything just kind of bust up. Yes, so this is what I show you my people. So, you know, we work out like an expansion joint, so it just correspond back with there. So, yeah, right through. So over here, so now at the part we drop. Basically, if you look here so closely, you can see. You can see here, so it drop left this part. So the whole of the part you drop. The whole of the side drop. The whole of the step drop. It just drops straight across. So, yeah. Same thing we do here, so. Yeah, same thing we do here, so. This joint now going to come straight across to right here, so. So, you know, it correspond back with this, so. So, as we said, this is the section over here, so we are drop. So, yeah. Eh? Yeah, so this is how most I got drop in. This is a piece, you know. Okay? I got drop in that piece. So, as I said, it will look like an expansion joint. You know. So it just separates the two parts. Yeah, the part up here, so top part kind of solid, but the bottom part drop. So this is how we have to do it. Yeah. So right now, because that section that drop, the tile not really flush back with this side, because the whole of this will completely drop lower. You know, and they trimmed it already. As me a point out, see there, it's way below this. So, you know, we just have to work out the best possible way what we can. Yeah. So, cutting them there. So we have over the side and now we're cutting them there over there. So, basically over here, so we work out the same way. Yeah, because we cut it right now that joint, they go straight across. Yeah. So it look like an expansion, same way. As I say, this side will drop completely. You know, it shift out away from that side there. So yeah, we're dropping this. Yeah, as you punch it down, so a cut tile right now. Yeah. So most are dropping that. Yeah, see him making mortar bed there. So I will just cut in that one now. So my bucket empty. Yeah. So as Mr. Mouse are dropping that. So we have two tiles so we have to cut in. Yeah. So So as I say, my people, it's just that the pool deck itself drop, you know. So we have to do what we have to do. Work out. Yeah. So we are the doctor. We is like the medical team for the tiling. So whatever need to be done, yeah, we get it done. Yeah, so yeah, as I say, you can see, you know, we have to create something to make it work, you know, and that's when if it drop again, you know, that side you know damage. So then basically more if it this side you go down. Yeah, so anything the tile them not break. So yeah. So as I say, we are the medical team for tiling over here. So you know, yeah. So we are doing operation now. I know the surgeon. They are here. Yeah. So right about now, we are the right and where there's some growing. Yeah, as you can see. Most are growth down there, so. Yeah. I'm going to see how this one wipe off. Yeah, so as you can see, all this work out, you know, like an expansion joint, as me say. Yeah. So this one, yeah, straight across. So as you can see, the pool, the deck drop. Yeah, if you notice good, you can see it. Yeah, so it drop all the way around. So basically this side over here, this part will really drop. Yeah. This part drop as well. Yeah. And if you see, you can see where the first, you can see where it left from. Yeah, so it drop. Yeah, and it drop all the way. Yeah, so all of this aside there. You see over here, so drop too. So, you know, as I say, we just have to perform a surgery upon it the best possible way. Yeah. Hmm?
Most me attack, say if you have this knife. Oh.
Yeah, so. Yeah, we are grow it up, you know. Get it clean up and, you know. Yeah.
Huh? Must buy back to the next one.
As you buy sitting in, man, them take you away, you know.
Dog, yeah, I mean. Yes. Anytime you see him borrow sitting, take it lend somebody else and you know get it back.
Yeah. So as I say, we there grow it up.
Call you and say, you don't have that in your vehicle. You buy a little thing there, you put the tool in your van. You have to make one. And by the time you look in there, everything gone out. You know me take it out.
Yeah, so pool nice and pretty.
Nothing in there. When I chuck go look.
Yeah. So. Yeah, this is the expansion I'm tell you about. So we just eventually break it here, so you know, to accommodate the part over here, so we drop. Yeah. So I'm showing them before the whole height. As you can see on the step. See there? Yeah, whole height drop. As you can see the drop, so you know. Yeah. So we just do the best that we can do upon it. So alright, Punsi I get the final little wipe there now, so yeah, wipe off on everything. Yeah, so we grow it up. Yeah, as I say, pool pretty, water in there. Yeah, so everything brought up and all. Yeah. So you know it go. Me I can't take up a man. So yes, my people, so this is it, you know. As I said, we brought up and everything. Yeah. Yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. You know, like and share the video. Yeah. Alright, my people. So, you know, Enough respect to all of the supporters them every time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You come like a some
So we're gonna leave you this with this one, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so catch up on the next one.
I said, they carry them back, you know.